Welcome back to SS Multimedia. Sal here. Today we're going to be talking about arrays and multiplying two-digit numbers by multiples of 10. Okay, so today's objective is sort of restating the title so it's not too much of a difference. So what we're trying to be doing is I can use arrays to multiply two-digit numbers by multiples of 10. Okay, so I'm sure you all know what arrays are. Okay, and if you remember, they're like, so if we want to show 2 times 3, we would draw this, right? So that's what an array is, except today we're going to be using place values. Place value blocks, okay, in our array. Okay, we'll talk more about that later. And then next we're going to be multiplying two-digit numbers, and two-digit numbers are numbers, that's a number symbol, it's kind of sloppy, with 2 digits, okay? So that's kind of in the name, by multiples of 10, okay? And you all know what that is. So since there wasn't exactly much to explain, we're going to go ahead and get started. And so the first thing we're going to be talking about, we're going to have an example here, okay? So we're going to do something simple, okay? Let's do 10 times 24. Actually, no, let's do 10 times 23. Okay, 10 times 23. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to draw a place value array. Okay, now I'm going to take a guess here. And then you don't want to watch me draw a place value array. Okay? Luckily for you, I already did. Okay, so here is our place value array. Okay? So I'm going to be going back and forth between this page and the other, so that way we can help understand. Okay, this is to help us visualize and reach a product. Okay, so back to our problem, we have 10 times 23. Okay, and if we go here, you notice we have, if we can actually kind of split this up here, right? And we should have another lesson on this, it's called breaking apart. This is kind of similar to that. Okay, we're going to be using breaking apart to find this. Okay, so here we have 20 written down 10 times, and here we have 3 written down 10 times, right? So we have 20 times 10 plus 3 times 10, okay? And then what those two equal is our product, so I'm going to write P there. Okay, so now we're going to come here. Okay, this is going to be helping us visualize. Okay, what is 20 times 10? Okay, we should know that. That would be 200. Okay, so 20 times 10 is 200. And what is 3 times 10? Let's go back to the page to help you visualize this. 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, and remember, sorry, that was a bad arrow. When 20 plus 30 will be our product. Okay? No, sorry, not 20, I don't know. 200. 200 plus 30 will be our product. 200, so draw 200 plus 30 would be 230. Okay? 230. Okay, now I'm assuming that, okay, why did we do that? Why didn't we just do something else, right? Why did we have to use breaking apart? Couldn't we have just done 23 times 10, right? You could have just done 23 times 1, 23, and carried over to 0, right? Well, that won't always work. Okay, it might work sometimes, it won't just always work. Because what if you had 90? Okay, now you have to do 23 times 9. And that's just a whole other product. Right, so let's say we had 23 times 90. Okay, I want you to imagine you're doing this in your head. Can you do 23 times 9 in your head? Okay, and that's why, since I'm assuming the answer was no. If the answer is yes, you should probably skip this grade. So I'm assuming that you said no. And if you can't do that, then this method is for you. It helps you visualize and get the answer or product. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move to problem time. Okay, so today our problem is going to be, let's do 31 times 20. Okay, so now again, I'm not going to actually draw this, but first, before I show you the model, I want you guys to pause the video, draw a model, and solve this problem. Okay? And then we'll go ahead and check this after you're done. Okay, so pause the video and give it a go. Okay, so I'm assuming that you've paused the video, and now we're going to check. Okay? Okay, so this is our model. Okay, so let me kind of like zoom out so you can see the entire thing there. Okay, it's kind of big. Okay, but I want you again to pause the video and check. Was your model look the same? Did it look kind of similar? Right? If not, where did you make your mistakes? Like, this is how you learn. Okay, so I want you to check, see anything you did differently. Okay? So now I'm assuming that you've paused the video, and there you go. Got this right? Bravo. Okay, so now we're going to be using this to solve our problem 31 times 20. Okay? So we have here, I'm not going to draw a line this time, I'm just going to draw like a line here. Okay? We have 31 times 20. Okay, I'm going to actually write that here. We have 31 times 20. And that breaks apart to 30 times 20 and 1 times 20. Okay? So first and foremost, let's get the easy one done. Okay, 1 times 20, we all know is 20. Now we're going to do this one. Okay? 20 times 30. What was the method for this? If you remember, it was 20. We have 20 times 30. You do 2 times 3 equals, okay, that's 6. And you carry over both the zeros. Okay, that's 600. Okay, so the second partial product is 600. Okay, and now to get our total product, we're going to add that together. Now I'm going to go back to the problem time page. That way when you add it together, it's going to be right there. Okay, so we have 600 plus 20, if I remember right. Yep, 600 plus 20. Okay, 0, 2, 6. Okay, we have 620. Okay, and there you go. That is our answer for problem time. Got that right? Good job. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep an eye out for the next videos to come.